My name is John Bricker. I am a manufacturing engineering manager at AeroMotion in Saginaw, Michigan. I was a mathematics and physics major here at Alma College, and I graduated in 2014. I was inspired by Dr. Argueta to come back to Alma College today and speak to our current students about potential opportunities and just to let them know what's available outside of Alma College and just kind of the career path that I took after Alma. I feel that Alma College did prepare me well for the field that I'm in now. There was not a particular engineering major when I graduated, but I was a pre-engineering student, focused heavily in math and physics, which are engineering principles. But I think the liberal arts foundation makes you a pretty well-rounded individual, gives you a lot of breadth of experience. And I think it helped me succeed even as I went on to get my master's in mechanical engineering. When I hear Alma College, first things that come to mind are the Scots, family, friends. When I was at Alma College, I found the academics quite challenging. I don't think I consider myself the brightest individual in the world, but I work hard. And I was actually told by one of my professors that he considered me one of his top students, which I knew I was not the smartest kid in the class. We had a kid that was absolutely brilliant in our physics class. But that inspired me. It inspired me and motivated me to see that somebody believed in me like that.